Here we are in Photoshop. So I will teach you in this tutorial that you can make the frame of the picture like that. Also use the custom shape for it. First of all we will remove it, then I will make it from the scratch. Here I will go to the custom shape. We will find any shape we want to get there. So I will pick up an image from the device gallery, stretch it, then make it fixed. We will generate the clipping mask for it. So that's the clipping mask we have generated there.